Hi, I'm Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be looking at BlueNotary versus NotaryLive. If you're a notary or a business evaluating RON platforms at some point, you've probably asked, Blue Notary or NotaryLive? What's the difference? And which one is actually worth it? Today, we're going to answer that. Let's start with what both platforms have in common, because that matters. Blue Notary and NotaryLive both offer certified, legally binding online notarizations. They both help businesses and notaries move away from paper-heavy, in-person processes. They're both operating in a regulated space and meeting state-level RON compliance standards. But that's the shared foundation. Once you get under the hood, the architecture, the cost structure, the user experience, you start to see where they diverge. And those differences matter, especially at scale. Blue Notary is built speed first, with low friction workflows and seamless handoffs between notary sources. One of the most important questions for any organization using RON is, where does the notary come from? Both platforms give you options, but let's break down what Blue Notary's options look like. Option 1, on-demand notary pool. You need a notary right now at 9 p.m. for a client who can't wait? Blue Notary can tap into a network of certified notaries available around the clock. Option 2, bring your own notary. If your organization already has commissioned notaries on staff, you can onboard them and run internal digital workflows directly through Blue Notary. Option 3, hybrid. And this is where Blue Notary's architecture really shines. You can mix both pathways. Your internal team handles what they can, and the on-demand pool fills the gaps. The handoffs between them are seamless. For high-volume operations, that flexibility isn't just convenient. It's a competitive advantage. Let's talk about the part that affects every single transaction, the user experience. Both platforms guide participants through identity verification and document upload, but the differentiator is execution speed. Blue Notary is optimized for rapid execution. That means reduced onboarding friction for external participants, less technical lag, and an interface built to handle high-volume closings without getting in the way. The Blue Notary edge comes down to fewer drop sessions and faster handoffs. That compounds over time. Let's talk money. At the pay-as-you-go level, both platforms start at $25 per session for general notary work. No difference there. But once you move to a business subscription, the gap opens up. Blue Notary's business plan runs $47 per month per notary seat, with sessions dropping to $10 each, and the first 2 sessions each month are free. How about additional pages? Blue Notary includes them. NotaryLive charges $5 per additional 25 pages. For real estate, Blue Notary charges a flat $45 per e-closing transaction. Both platforms include 10-year storage, but Blue Notary's covers video and full audit log. The math is straightforward. If your volume is growing, the cost differential on subscription sessions compounds fast. For organizations that want to integrate RON into their existing tech stack, CRMs, document management systems, custom client portals, API access, and white labeling are non-negotiable. Blue Notary is built with developer-friendly API surface and documentation designed for rapid integration. White label deployment doesn't require heavy engineering overhead. You can have a custom branded workflow set up and running without a long runway. If your team has dedicated engineering resources, either platform can be integrated. But if you're moving fast or working lean, the difference in complexity matters. So where does this land? NotaryLive is an okay platform with good tooling. If you're an enterprise with existing workflows built around their system, this can work for you. But on value, Blue Notary wins. Lower operational overhead, transparent pricing, session costs that don't spike as your volume grows. Cleaner, faster integrations, custom branding workflows your team can actually deploy without a 6-week engineering sprint. And human live support, a dedicated ecosystem that makes sure your transactions don't stall when something unexpected happens. For notaries building a business, and for companies scaling their document workflows, and just for anyone who cares about what happens after the session starts, Blue Notary is the stronger platform. So here's the challenge I want to leave you with. If you haven't run a session on Blue Notary yet, you can launch your first one in under 5 minutes. If you're evaluating at the business or enterprise level, API access, white labeling, custom solutions, reach out directly. The team is there to build the right fit for your workflow. Visit BlueNotary.us today to see the difference.